Hey Cassie, check this out. Oi brat, what are you doing? You messed up the vid. Oh no you don't. Come back here asshole. Cassie, enough. What do you mean enough? Can't you see the brat ran away? Calm down. We'll get her next time. Attention. Please hide till help comes. There is an outbreak we cannot explain. Hide right now. What are you doing? I'm trying to call for help. Well then, go quicker.
Help!
Be quiet. Is anyone there? Help me, damn it, asshole. Please help, they are coming. Such a shame. Ah ha 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 ha.
Hello, miss. Sorry for the intrusion. Is there anyone else here?
And no, I watched all my friends die.
I'm sorry about that. Please follow me.
Oh, okay. Coming.